Hello everyone, welcome to Magnetic Automation. Today we are going to see how to get color of any web element using Selenium WebDriver. Before proceeding, if you did not subscribe to our channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's jump to our website where my web element is there and I will get the background color of that object. So let's open our website. So this is my website and I'm going to get the background color of this find flights. Okay, so I will do the inspection of this. Let's see what is the color of this using CSS property. And at right hand side, you will find some kind of what CSS values. Okay, here you are going to have the CSS values of this object. So somewhere in the CSS value, you are going to have the background color, and you can see that the background color here is something like this. Okay, and we are going to get this CSS value using Selenium WebDriver. Fine. So let's start our Eclipse where I'm going to do programming. Let's start our Eclipse. I'm already ready with the class with the main method. And here, very first thing that I'm going to do, start our browser and URL. Now, how to start browser and URL that everybody knows, but still I will write the code here. I think so. Very first thing that I need to do, I need to set the path of executable browser. So using system property, it is used to done system.set property, and here inside this I need to pass key, and inside this I need to pass the path of my executable driver. Okay, so key is what? WebDriver chrome.driver, and inside this my driver is inside d driver, d:2/drivers, and name of driver is chrome driver exe. Now how to start my browser? Which browser? Chrome browser we are going to start. WebDriver equals to new Chrome driver. Okay, I will import the WebDriver and Chrome driver from Selenium package. You can see something like this. It is done, and then I will open the URL driver.get http:// our website is what? blazedemo.com. Okay, now I will first identify this object. Which is my object? This is my object. Okay, so I will take the XPath of this. I will do inspection once again. Okay, see, I will click on this cursor and I will move on find flights. These are the properties. I will right click here and go in copy and copy XPath. I will just copy the XPath and I will find that object driver.findElement by .xpath. This is my XPath, and I will store this into a variable of which type? Web element type. You must be knowing find element has a return type as what? Web element. So I can store this whole thing into an object which is of which type? Web element type, since the return type is what? Web element here. So web element e suppose, and I will import this web element. Fine. Now next thing that I'm interested to do, I'm interested to get the background color. Okay, so how it is done? It is done with the help of what? E dot get CSS value. Which CSS value you are interested, you need to mention here. Which CSS value I'm interested? I'm interested in background color. You can see I'm interested in background color, so I will copy this and I will paste here background color. Fine. And the return type of get CSS value is string, so I will store into the string back color suppose. Now after this I want to print this color. Let's see what it prints. Back color. And now let's run whether it's working fine this much or not. So I run this program. It will start the browser and open the URL. And in console, I will be getting the color of the page. Okay, so this is what RGB value. Okay, RGB value you are getting here. Okay, so I want this color in hex value. I need a color in which value? Hex value. So in Selenium there is one class color you can see color, and from string you are going to convert. Okay, so I will pass this back color, and whatever the string it is there you want to convert as a hex. Fine. And return type of this is as hex is what? String. So I will again have the one variable of string type hex back color, and I will print here hex back color. You can see here. If I run, it will print. Let's run it once more. Let's see in our console whether the background color is printed or not. You can see our background color, it is printed and it is same as this. So here you can have the if and else also. If hex back color is equals to this, no, I'll just copy this and hash also. Test pass test for find flight fast, else test for find flight failed. So let's run it whether it's working fine or not. Okay, so our test is get passed. So that's all for this video. If you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video.